everyone, hope you all are good. Most of you like to watch cricket on television or like to play cricket. So tell me, what is the most important thing to play cricket? Yes, you're correct. It's bat and ball. And guess today's lesson is also about a cricket bat. The title of the story is The Missing Bat, written by Vaishali Shroff. The main characters are Abdul Rahman Chacha, the owner of a cricket bat factory, Amir, a worker, and Ahmad, Amir's son. The Missing Bat is a humorous tale from Kashmir, the largest manufacturer of cricket bat in India. Sangam, where the story is set, is a place 35 km away from Srinagar. The abundance of willow trees in this region makes it home to nearly 200 cricket bat workshops. There was a cricket bat missing from Abdul Rahman Chacha's factory. He suspected the young Ahmad had stolen the bat. Let's find out who had taken the bat. Really. Get ready with your English Junction book, page number 1, and here we go. English Junction, class 5th, The Missing Bat by Vaishali Shroff. The Missing Bat. Abdul Rahman Chacha owned a cricket bat factory in Sangam near Srinagar. One could see cricket bats neatly stacked in rows all around his factory. Chacha was an old man with a hunchback. He was always frowning and always on his feet, tapping his walking stick as he went, trying to see what his workers were doing. Ahmad's father, Amir, was a worker at Chacha's factory. Ahmad stayed with him at the factory every day after school. He would stare at the tall stacks of cricket bats in awe. He liked to hold and run his fingers across the bats after his father had shaped them with his machine. Gripping one by its handle, he would swing it in the air with a flick of his wrist. If Chacha caught Ahmad with a bat in his hands, he would clear his throat and say, "That's not a plaything, boy, put it back." And under Chacha's watchful eye, Ahmad would put the bat in its place. Did the old man know what he dreamed of being? Sachin Tendulkar someday? Chacha was very particular about his stock. He liked to count the number of bats in his warehouse. He did this every evening before the workers left for home, and every morning as he loaded the bats onto his trucks. He had imagined how he would play detective if any of his bats went missing. And then it happened. One morning when Chacha opened the warehouse to take the stock out and load it into his truck, he found that there was one bat missing. He was furious because he had admired the bat just the previous evening. It was the biggest and the lightest one of all. That afternoon, Chacha gathered the workers and made them stand in a row. "One bat is missing. Where do you think it could have gone?" The workers looked down and shook their heads. They found it difficult to look at Chacha when he was angry. "No one other than you all come and me enters the warehouse. So where is it?" shouted Chacha. His eyes found Amir. "A bat can't disappear overnight, can it?" he asked. "You're right, Chacha, it can't," Amir agreed. "Where is Ahmad today?" "Amir, I do not see him around." "Ahmad is not well, Chacha. He is resting at home today," Amir answered, now looking straight at the other man. Suddenly, one by one, the workers began to giggle. Chacha's beard quivered in anger as he shouted, "What is so amusing?" Amir began to study his toes again. Upon hearing him shout, everyone burst into laughter. We found the missing bed, Chacha, exclaimed Amir. Surely this had to be some joke, thought Chacha. He didn't think he could get any angrier than he already was. You have been standing in front of me all this time, so how could you have found it? He spat out, eyes shining, a big grin on his face. Amir pointed at Chacha's walking stick. The old man looked down. None of the workers had known until that day that Chacha could laugh so loudly or that he wore dentures. So I hope you must be knowing now who has the bat. Yes, Abdul Rahman Chacha's walking stick was only the bat which was missing. Here are some new words from the lesson. Frowning, to show you are angry by making lines appear on your forehead. Tapping something quickly and lightly. A feeling of respect. Warehouse, a building where large quantities of goods are stored. Grin, a broad smile. Furious, very angry. You can learn these new words. Then you will come to the word meanings. You have to write the word meanings in your copy. Words are Chacha, Hindi word for uncle. Stacked, piled on top of another. Hunchback, someone whose back is bent forward. Flick, sudden quick movement. Play detective, pretend as if one is solving crime. Overnight, during the night. Giggle, laugh softly. Quivered, shook, and dentures, false teeth. Now we'll come to the question and answers. Question number 1. Where did Ahmad's father work? Ahmad's father worked in a cricket bat factory in Sangam near Srinagar. Question number 2. What did Abdul Rahman Chacha like to do twice a day? Abdul Rahman Chacha liked to count the number of bats in his warehouse twice a day. Third, why was the missing bat special? The missing bat was special because it was the biggest and the lightest bat among all the bats in the factory. Abdul Rahman. Fourth, who had taken the missing bat? Abdul Rahman Chacha had taken the missing bat. Fifth, how would you describe Abdul Rahman Chacha? You can write this in your own words also. Abdul Rahman Chacha was an old man with a hunchback. He was strict, suspicious and vigilant. Question number 2, that is tick the correct option. You have to write it in your copy in full sentences. Okay. You'll write the question as it is given in the slide. You can see first question. Ahmad liked to hold the bats his father made because he dreamed of becoming a cricketer. Second, we know that Abdul Rahman Chacha was a suspicious man because he counted his bats twice a day. Third, Abdul Rahman Chacha asked Amir where Ahmad was because he thought that the boy had stolen the bat. I have not written the complete answer. I have just written C. Question number 4. Amir looked straight at Abdul Rahman Chacha because he wanted to make it clear that Ahmad was not a thief. That is option B. Fifth, Abdul Rahman Chacha laughed loudly when the bat was found. This shows that he realizes that he could make mistakes too. Now come to your homework. Read the lesson once and write its word meaning in copy. Make sentences with these words. Number 1 is giggle, furious and admire. Do exercise A and B, that is in page number 4 in your copy, and memorize the answer. Complete grammar exercises in book. Grammar exercises in the next part of this video. Thank you for your attention.